Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. We have got our first February sale. We got some fun things for Valentine's Day and also a lot of unique items. So let's see our sneak peek. Ready? Number one, we've got the Wild Horses coffee cup, $5 for number one. Number two, we have this awesome metal trivet that looks like a pumpkin, $10 for number two. Number three is a vintage hamburger press, comes in its original box, $5. Number four is a set of two, $10. It is
vintage razors.
Vintage razors. So you get this and this set. That's number four. Number five is this beautiful live edge piece of wood with a beautiful horse kind of decor on it, all metal. $10 for number
24
five.
gold plated.
Oh yeah, 24 karat gold plated. Number six is this cool eagle trivet by Pierce. Number seven is the cool brass horse hook for $20. Number eight is this awesome bundle. It's a horse kind of on a live edge piece of wood with two hooks, and then we've got the spurs that go with it, so great decor. Number nine is for $10. You get this set of this cowboy hat that is like a bowl, and then the horseshoe plate.
It's Sonoma Happy Trails if they need to know.
Okay, great. Number 10 is this beautiful one. You'd explain that one.
That is cool. A Mercari dime for $10. So
and it's a pendant.
It would be sterling also.
And it's 1942. And then number 11 is this cool set of trinkets that you can use for earrings or necklaces. $5 for the set. It's a hammer and a wrench. Number 12, or pair of plies actually. Number 12 is a really cool vintage clock. It is the Big Ben West Clocks brand, wind up there. Number 12, $10. Number 13, really cool music boxes. This one is working. This one is not, but really cool. One is Swiss and one is German. So number 13, $15 for the set. Number 14, Crafters. We've got a jar of buttons for number 14, $20 for the jar of buttons, vintage buttons. Number 15, a soapstone jewelry dish or soap dish. No, $10 for number 15. Number 16 is a 1940s megaphone. Thank you. I lost the word for a minute. $20 for number 16 there. Number 17 is our Big Bopper for $200. This is a collection of antique car coins. It is a first edition proof, and it's got all the cars on one side, and then we'll show you the back side as well tomorrow. But it is genuine silver, right?
Yep, it is sterling silver proof.
Sterling silver proof set. So $200 for number 17 for that whole set. Number 18 is a vintage phone receiver, $5. It is broken.
Broke there, but it's kind of still cool.
Really cool, neat. You could probably just use some glue, put that back together. So number 19 is a lineman phone, rotary phone. So we had our power go out today. I'm sure a lot of those were used today. $20 for number 19. And then 20 is this brass whale dish, kind of a candy dish or decor piece. Number 20, $10. Number 21 is a mid-century juicer, really cool mid-century juicer. Nice, cool 1950s or 60s lines there. Number 22 is a cool bundle. This is for a size, this is small. A bandana, size small, and it's got the dog collar and the bandana for $5. Number 23 is our medium bundle. We got some dog toys.
That's a small sweater bundle.
Oh, sorry, small sweater bundle. We got some dog toys, and number 23, $10. Then here is our medium bundle. Number 24, $10. We've got a dog toy and some clothes there. And then number 25 is our size large for the dog toy, that purple rubber dog toy, and a nice sweater. So that is number 25. Number 26, you're going to get a set of two. This is a cool sport bundle. Comes with all sorts of like lip balm, sunscreen, stuff like that. $5. Number 26, you get a 2-pack. Number 27, you get this entire hair care set. So you get the shampoo, the conditioner, and then a hair cream, $15 for number 27. Number 28 is a shopping cart cover for a baby so that you can protect your baby, and they have lots of fun things to play with. Number $10. Number 29 is a cool candle set, pumpkin spice. You get all of that for $7.50.
So it should be 3 candles there.
Yes, 3 candles. Then we have another 3 candle set for $7.50, and it has got a pumpkin latte, and some other sparkling
neon
nectar.
Guava.
Yes. So we've got some other things still on the sale, but you only get to see the first 30, so hopefully you enjoyed the sneak peek for the fire sale for those of you patrons. And of course, we'll see you tomorrow at noon Central Standard Time for the fire sale. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.